Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for everything fragrance, beauty, and confidence. Today, I'm revealing a secret step that most people completely skip when applying perfume. If your fragrance fades too fast or doesn't smell the same after an hour, you might be missing this one pro step. So stay tuned till the end, because after today, your perfume game will never be the same again. Why perfume doesn't last? Let's start with the truth. Most people spray perfume the wrong way. They grab the bottle, spray once on their wrist, rub it together, and think that's it. But that tiny habit is actually ruining the scent's chemistry and cutting its life in half. Perfume isn't just about smell, it's a science of how fragrance interacts with your skin. If you want it to last longer, you need to prepare your skin the right way before you spray. The step everyone skips, here's the step everyone skips: hydration. Perfume clings better to hydrated, moisturized skin. Dry skin absorbs perfume too quickly and makes it vanish within hours. So before applying perfume, make sure you moisturize your pulse points, your wrists, neck, and behind the ears. Use an unscented lotion or body oil, so it doesn't clash with your fragrance. And if you really want pro-level results, apply a tiny dab of Vaseline on those areas. It locks in the scent and releases it slowly throughout the day. Where and how to apply now? Once your skin is ready, let's talk about where to spray. The best spots are your pulse points, areas that naturally emit heat and help diffuse your fragrance. These include your wrists, inner elbows, behind your ears, collarbone, and even behind your knees. Don't rub your wrists together, let the scent settle naturally. And remember, less is more. 2 first sprays in the right spots are better than 10 random sprays everywhere. Layering for a signature scent want to smell unique and unforgettable. Try fragrance layering, another pro trick. Start with a body wash or a lotion in the same scent family, then apply your perfume on top. This builds depth and helps the fragrance last all day. If you love experimenting, layer to complementary perfumes, for example, a vanilla base with a floral top note. It creates your own signature scent that no one else can copy. So there you have it. The secret step everyone skips when applying perfume. Hydrate your skin, spray the right spots, and stop rubbing your wrists. These small changes make a huge difference in how long your perfume lasts and how amazing you smell. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fragrance-loving friends. Comment below your favorite perfume. I'd love to know what scent you're wearing today. And remember, it's not about how much perfume you wear, it's about how you wear it.